I'm so excited. I am almost done with this kit. This is a Wimmsie Crochet for Beginners kit that comes with all the instructions, the yarn, crochet hook, and scissors, and everything you need comes in the kit to get started with crocheting. Plus, all the instructions. It comes with a card in the kit so that you can download the instructions from the internet. And there's also videos that you can watch that help to learn how to crochet, or even for yourself, get yourself a gift. This is so neat. This was just so easy. I am new to crocheting. I haven't crocheted since I was probably 10 or 11 years old. So this was the perfect thing to get started. I still have one little piece left to make, and that's the top of the eggshell that goes on top of this little chick here. Let me finish crocheting the last piece for this. Anyway, you're gonna love it.